the silence, I held my breath, like we were learning love again from scratch. The sidewalk glitter, candy cane light. Your jacket on me felt just right. I used to hate how winter stays, but not tonight, no, not this way. Every sound is slower tonight, like the whole town's moving in time. And I'm closer than I've been in a while to letting my heart rewind. Under the Christmas lights, I'm falling back to you, warm in your smile, like a secret coming true. If the year was heavy, let it melt in a glow. Hold me softly, don't let go. Under the Christmas lights, we're starting brand new. All I want for winter is a life with you. Carols flow from balconies and velvet tones, cinnamon halos in the air we own. Your laugh lands gentle on my skin, like an old slow song I'm falling in. We talking sparkles, we talking sights. Your fingers drawing little lights. I used to run when it got real. Now I'm staying for the way you feel. And the night wraps round us like a ribbon tied to everything you say. I don't need perfect, I just need you close enough to make me stay. Under the Christmas lights, I'm falling back to you, warm in your smile, like a secret coming true. Ooh, if the year was heavy, let it melt in a glow. Hold me softly, don't let go. Under the Christmas lights, we're starting brand new. All I want for winter is a life with you. In the distance, maybe we were scared to try, but your hand fits mine like it always did, and I'm tired